At Saddleback College, your education is just the beginning. To truly set yourself apart in today's competitive job market, gaining real-world experience is essential. According to the National Association of Colleges and Employers, over 80% of Gen Z professionals engage in experiential learning during their college years. These hands-on experiences, such as internships and research opportunities, are among the most significant predictors of early career success. In fact, experiential learners earn an average of $15,000 more per year, even after adjusting for industry differences. Nearly 70% of Gen Z professionals who participated in experiential learning during college report that their careers are progressing on track or ahead of expectations. These opportunities also provide valuable mentorship and networking opportunities, giving you a head start in building professional relationships. At Saddleback College, we offer a variety of work-based learning experiences to help you gain the skills and connections needed to succeed. Don't wait for success to find you. Take the initiative and explore internships today. For more information on available internships and how to apply, visit Saddleback College's Career Resource Center, visit our website, or call us at 949-582-4575. We're located in Gateway 271. Hope to see you soon.